Hi guys, I'm Mahi.
Hi, I'm Prerna, and today we have two recipes for you.
Two very short and easy popsicles that you can make because I don't know where you guys stay, but we stay in Mumbai, and even though it's June now and it's supposed to rain, it's not, and it's just very hot.
Yeah, also, but I feel like popsicles can be had during any time of the year because it's never so cold in Mumbai at least.
Yeah, it's never. Even in winters, we sometimes sweat.
So stay tuned for both the recipes.
So you'll require powdered sugar, some water, mint leaves, lemon juice, rum, and the quantities and the description. So to begin with, we will just be putting the powdered sugar in a mixing bowl. Make sure there are no lumps so it's easier for you to dissolve them. Just add in the water, the lime juice, and lastly the rum. And give it all a good mix until the sugar has dissolved. We are just transferring the mixture into a measuring cup so it's easier for us to pour. Once you've poured the liquid in, you can put 2 to 3 mint leaves in each of the cavities, or even more if you like it better, if you like more mint. And you require to freeze these for 4 to 5 hours. For the second popsicles, we'll be taking some whipping cream, some milk, some chocolate ganache, or you can also use chocolate syrup, coffee powder, and maple syrup. And give it all a good mix. And again, we'll be transferring this into a measuring cup and pouring it into the molds. And this too needs to be in the freezer for around 4 to 5 hours. And you're done.
So the popsicles have set, and we are tasting one on camera, the mojito ones.
Yeah, the coffee ones were really good.
We had it off camera. Sorry.
Yeah, it was really nice. Though the freezing point of that, I'm sorry, I shouldn't really talk much because I don't want this to melt. But yeah, the freezing point of that was a little different, so it melts much faster. So yeah, this one is a lot more stable.
Yep.
So we'll be trying this one. We just have one. You know, do you want to start?
You can.
No, you're the mojito fan. If anybody watches our videos regularly and also the cupcakes, then I was obsessed with them. And this is like, wow. That's a lot of ice.
I love
One bite. Put it back. Okay. For some reason, we took ice cream cones for this. Brain freeze?
Sensitivity.
Oh my god. This is awesome.
See, I love mojitos anyway. Like, I'll not start ranting about it. But then, this is again exactly like a mojito.
This is actually amazing. Oh my god. Like, I'm so tempted to just finish it.
She can.
You know, I didn't expect this, but the mint has actually infused in it.
Infused. We were like, we probably won't get a lot of mint. So,
Okay, it's already melting.
Yeah.
So Prerna's gonna continue to eat this, and as we were saying, the mint has completely permeated through it, and
I'm also
it's
having
amazing.
a lipstick.
Yeah. Okay, so much love. Anyway, so it's amazing, seriously. And the coffee one also was pretty good.
That was exactly like mochaccino. Or
Yeah,
latte
you know,
mocha.
for me, like right before freezing, I kept telling Prerna that if you blend this with a lot of ice cubes, you'll have the most amazing frappuccino ever. So that's another idea for that mixture.
Yeah.
And yeah, there were like subtle maple undertones to it.
See, again, she's not a coffee fan and she loved it, so it's actually really very
I'm a
tasty.
maple fan, and Prerna didn't really
I
feel
didn't-
it.
Yeah, I
but I got a very
maple.
faint. Okay, so honestly, there was no chocolate taste at all.
Yeah.
Could add more if you like more of a chocolate flavor in your coffee. But I had a maple aftertaste and I just loved that. Okay, but that's just because I love maple, so I don't know. Maybe it was a psychological thing.
Maybe. I think
Yeah.
it was because I genuinely couldn't taste it.
Sad.
And my taste buds are just as bad as yours, so.
Yeah.
So if you like the video, please do give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.
Also, yeah, we post videos every Monday.
And all the links to our social media are down in the description. Do check them out.
See you next
Bye.
time. Bye. This is actually nice, man.